Hi, I'm Barbara from Clarity. I hope you know that. And this is my gorgeous daughter, Grace. She's visiting us from the States. And
where are we?
We're at the Spa Hotel and we're getting ready for all the staff to come because we're having our Christmas party. And before they arrive, we thought we'd have a couple of minutes just to tell you a little bit about what's going on. First of all, there's loads going on, isn't there, Grace? Tell us about what's going on in the States.
We were waiting to let you know that we have officially launched on Amazon USA, but some people have already got on there and started, and the orders are already trickling in. So that's
trickling.
Amazing.
It's a very fast trickle. I'd call it pouring now. It's starting.
So that's happening, and then the Claritystamp website is now.
Yeah, we can take dollars on our Claritystamp website and euros, which is very exciting. So we just thought we'd come in and say hello. And
Amazon, Facebook US is live as well. That's ready to join.
Is that already started?
Yeah, the Facebook US page is published and ready to go.
Tell our good people at home what they have to do.
If you go on Facebook and just type in Clarity US, you can join us and like the page and start leaving us comments, and we're going to start adding content, unboxing videos, product videos, other things that you've had on YouTube for years. We're going to start sharing that with the people in America. So
yes.
We'll have lots going on.
And so that's all starting, and Grace and her boyfriend Mark, they're spending a few days with us now here at Christmas, and then they'll go back home, and then the ball will probably start rolling.
Yep.
Here in England, just in case you weren't aware, we just signed the lease on a new factory in Edenbridge in Kent.
Very amazing.
It is pretty special, isn't it?
So
I'm really excited about that because it means that we'll all be under one roof.
Mm-hmm.
There's more room. What does it mean to you? It means that we'll have, first of all, we'll have a factory outlet. Secondly, we can do workshops there, not the great big ones, which we still love to do at the spa and in Ditton. So our open days will stay just where they've always been, but we can do more intimate, more specialised workshops now.
You can come and shop with us finally.
And you can come and shop with us finally, which is something that I have wanted to make possible for many, many years. So that's all coming true. And I can hear the patter of tiny feet outside. Yeah.
Not me.
No.
Not me.
No, not yet.
There are a couple of customers that guessed that.
We've got to launch Clarity USA before that.
She said the other day,
go there.
What's Barbara's big news? Not that. Not that.
But what we want to do is wish you a really merry, merry Christmas, a peaceful Christmas, and a happy 2020.
And to the Americans, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
All the best. Bye-bye now.